What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on these analysis. We're going to be looking at Tesla today. As you can see here on the weekly chart, we've had 3 retests here off of this upward sloping trend line. We finally broke out of this downward sloping trend line, got a strong rebound off of it, and we broke this key level of support and resistance that we've been speaking about over the past couple weeks. As you can see, it's been acting as resistance, support here, broke down below, support again, back to resistance, and so on. You can see resistance multiple times, and it looks like we're finally getting that breakout again, looking super bullish. Things are looking very, very good right now for Tesla. When you take a look here on the SMAs, we broke above the 20-week SMA, which is ideal. That's going to be your one of your strong SMAs for the bull, as you can see here. I think we can definitely see something like that coming up soon. When you look here on the daily, we did break above the 200-day SMA as well, which is a key level. And you can get strong moves after breaking the 200 SMA. As you can see previously, it has happened plenty of times. Even when they're fake out moves, they're still pretty significant moves to the upside. As you can see, look at that, 50%, break above here, still 20%, break above, another 30%. So it allows price to pop a little bit more. And as you can see, we're already currently up a total of like 20% just off of that pop above the 200 SMA. So when you take a look here at the RSI, you can see here on the monthly, we broke above the yellow moving average. We got a strong bounce off of the midline here. You can actually kind of see a level of support here at the midline at the 50. As you can see, we really don't spend too much time underneath it, and we got a strong bounce off of it, pushing up higher, and now we broke above the yellow moving average, which is key and ideal. So hopefully we see a large move to the upside all the way up to the 70 point, to the overbought territory, and you can see the nice green shaded area like we've seen previously for a nice extended move to the upside. And when you take a look here at the weekly, you kind of have the same concept. We got a bottoming pattern, maybe triple bottom, double bottom, something along those lines. Broke above the 50 point, the midline, and we're pushing up higher, and we are holding above this yellow moving average, which is key. And on the daily, we are in overbought territory already, creating higher highs, higher lows, and we kind of just extended straight off of it. We have a more steep trend line now. As you can see, this one's starting to create its own little, it's not even this one here, it's creating its own angle. So pretty steep move. Let's see where things go. We have seen some aggressive move to the upside prior, so we'll see what happens here if we get something along those lines. But overall, it's looking very bullish. And then when we take a look here at the MACD, you can see here that our bearish volume has died down completely. We got a steep fall off, which is what you want to see. And it looks like we're going to start getting some bearish momentum to the upside. And we have the blue line crossing the orange. So that's very, very bullish. And it looks like we're about to cross the dotted line and push back into bullish territory. It's exactly what you want to see in a move like this. And then you have a sustainable move to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows, with volume starting to slowly ramp up. Let's see if we can get some large green candles to the upside here on the daily MACD, but overall it's looking very good. And when you take a look here on the charts, we'll zoom out a little bit. On the bigger picture, you can see here when you pull up fib from here to here, all that really matters is from this point to this top. So everything to the left is irrelevant. Imagine just like a flagpole running straight through here. Imagine something kind of like this, where this is all that matters. All of this to the left is irrelevant. So, and to help you visualize that, I'll just move this all the way over here. Probably makes it easier. So you can see we pushed right off the golden zone here, 0.5 to the 618, key level right here, golden zone. It allows price to push up in the direction of the pool. This is a bullish pool, as you can see, and we're getting a strong bounce. So it looks like things can really ramp up from here. That was a key level that we bounced off of. We bounced off of the trend line as well, and we broke above this support and resistance level. So this is a key moment for Tesla. I think things can definitely ramp up from here. Looking to the left, things are looking pretty good as well. We did speak about it in one of the prior videos, saying looking to the left that we could get a clean move once we broke here. We could get a clean move to about 360 or so, because there wasn't much traffic, as you can see here. There's not a lot of wicking action, so whenever you have a clean move down, it's very easy to get a clean move just as fast to the upside. So always keep that in mind. And once we get here, there's a lot more wicking action, so price can chop a little bit, but I don't think it's going to have too much trouble as long as things stay bullish and the sentiment doesn't get too negative with Tesla. But overall, I still think it's a great company to be in long term. Feels like Tesla's always a buy, in my opinion, when you see what they're doing as a company. But that's all I have for you guys. Like and subscribe, share with a friend, drop a comment, and let me know what you think about the company. And I'll see you guys in the next one.